So I want to teach you guys how to make your avatar dance, move, things like that. So I'm gonna go straight into it because it's super easy. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want to do is generate my avatar. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my app. I'm gonna repopulate so I don't have to search for my selfie again. That's why I love my app. I do not have to search for my selfie. That's one feature that is unique for my app. Um, just to make it easier for you guys too. So now what I want to do, I'm gonna find a affiliate product to put on my AI as well, on my AI twin, sorry. There's a new affiliate marketing website called Navely that I have been using because Collective Voice is going away, unfortunately. So I had to find another site similar, and Mavely is the similar site. So what I'm gonna do, and as you can see here, I sold 2 jackets. Where is it? Okay, well, I sold this sweater, but I didn't get commissions for it. Not sure why. And then if I go to my earnings, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna just pick a random shirt from Shein. We're gonna do the trend with the dance, that dance. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna do that. So we're gonna put dance or trend. I have a really good idea for this. So boom, just like that. That's what we want. Okay, so this is the AI twin that I want to use. I just want to change the background to like a different part of the living room maybe, where the couch isn't behind her. And then change her outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead and crop this image out. Like so. And I'm gonna make it to where she's the main focus, but still leave a little perfect, just like that. Okay, so save. And then now what I'm gonna do, okay, so now that I have my AI twin, I'm gonna go ahead and upload her in here, which is gonna change her outfit in the background. Oh, shoot, I should have added the sweater, sorry. Now, I'm using Nana Banana Pro inside Galaxy AI. You can use this in Higgsfield, Crea, Google Gemini. It depends on you. I personally use Galaxy AI because it has everything in here. Um, and then I use Higgsfield. I'll show you why, but that's my work process right now. So I'm going to say, please change the pink sweater to the white sweater. Please change her hairstyle to we'll do low ponytail with 2 tendrils framing her face. Please keep the background, but put her in a part of the room where the couch isn't showing. Okay, put her in the part of the same. Okay, sorry, my M doesn't work on my computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate, and then we will come back when it's generated. We have our image. So I'm gonna go ahead and download. Oh, we have to change her pants. I'm sorry. Okay, so please change her pants to pink. We'll just do that. I'm gonna take these two out and then we're gonna upload this picture of the girl or of my AI twin, sorry. Okay, so boom, perfect. Done. Okay. Okay. So I'm changing her pants. We're gonna add slippers and then we're gonna add realistic skin. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that on his field. And then we're going to put on no, and then we're gonna make the clip after. So two more steps. So the first thing we did was create our AI twin. That's the process that we're in now. That is step one that you want to do. Step two, you can find the video that you want, or you can find the video you want first and then create your twin. Doesn't matter either way, you'll get the results. Perfect, this is exactly what I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and download. Okay, now we're gonna go to Higgsfield. And the reason why is because we want her skin to look realistic. So Higgsfield has a feature that's literally called Skin Enchanter. If it pops up for me. So now we're gonna upload the media. We're gonna get our AI twin. Okay, and then enchant. And we'll be back when the enchant comes on. Now that we're at the animation part, what we're gonna do, see where it says add video, literally listen to what it says. So you're gonna add the video there and see where it says add character image. That's where you're gonna add your AI twin. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my AI twin. Boom. So I'm gonna let both of those upload. Okay, so all I did, I added the video where it said add video, and I added my AI twin where it says add AI or add photo. So as you can see here, it says when character orientation matches the video, complex motions perform better. So I'm gonna leave that because of the dance she's doing, it is a little complex. Um, and then camera movements are better supported. So basically you can either have the video start out like her standing, or you can have the video start out like how the video is. I'm gonna leave it always on the video because complex, it says it does complex movement, so I'm gonna leave it there. Then you can either have audio or not. I'm gonna take the audio out and then generate 65 credits. I'm using Kling to do this. And then we're gonna go ahead and wait for our video to populate after this is done. So I'll be right back when the video populates. This is the result, you guys. All right, let me make it a little bigger. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna download this video And that is how you guys are going to make your avatars move. You can edit the video however you want after this. I use Instagram Edit, and then I repurpose it everywhere. You can use TikTok, whatever you use to edit your videos. From here, that's what you're gonna do. But that is the whole process of how to make your AI twin move. You literally create a video of the motion you want, or you could download a video somewhere offline and use that motion. You're going to place that video here. Then you're going to place your AI twin here and generate. So I cannot wait to see your guys' AI twins moving. And I really hope this helped you out. I tried to be as detailed as possible. So if you have any other questions, go ahead and leave it in the community in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching.